Did you know that the average American spends over $1,000 on a summer vacation? Whether you're exploring exotic destinations or embarking on a road trip adventure, the costs of travel can quickly add up. But fear not, fellow wanderers, because in this video, we'll share 8 tips to help you save money while traveling without sacrificing the quality of your experience. From budget-friendly accommodation hacks to insider secrets for scoring the best deals on flights, join me as we uncover practical strategies to make your next journey not only unforgettable, but also easy on the wallet. So grab your passport and travel-sized toiletries because it's time to dive into our ultimate guide for savvy travelers looking to maximize their adventures without breaking the bank. Starting with number 8. Use travel reward programs. Travelers can significantly enhance their savings by utilizing travel reward programs provided by airlines, hotels, and credit card companies. These programs offer the opportunity to accumulate points or miles that can be later redeemed for complimentary flights, hotel accommodations, or other travel-related expenses. It's crucial to enroll in loyalty programs before embarking on any trips and strategically utilize the accrued rewards to maximize savings. By leveraging these programs effectively, travelers can unlock various perks and experiences while minimizing their out-of-pocket expenses, making their travel experiences more rewarding and cost-effective. Before we continue to the next tip on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more travel-related information through our videos. Bringing us to number 7. Look for free activities. When planning a trip, it's essential to consider budget-friendly activities to make the most of your experience without overspending. One valuable strategy is to research free or low-cost activities and attractions at your destination. Look for museums offering free admission days, public parks perfect for picnics or leisurely strolls, walking tours to explore the city's hidden gems, or local festivals showcasing the culture and traditions of the area. By taking advantage of these opportunities, travelers can enjoy enriching experiences without breaking the bank. Number 6, we have travel off-peak. Traveling during off-peak seasons offers numerous advantages, including significant savings on flights, accommodations, and attractions. By avoiding peak travel times, such as holidays and school breaks, travelers can take advantage of lower prices and special deals offered by airlines, hotels, and tour operators. Additionally, exploring destinations during off-peak periods often means encountering fewer crowds, allowing for a more relaxed and authentic experience. Furthermore, interacting with locals during quieter times can provide a deeper insight into the local way of life and create memorable connections. Overall, traveling during off-peak seasons not only saves money, but also enhances the overall travel experience by offering a more tranquil and authentic journey. Let's move on to number 5. Utilizing public transportation, such as buses, trains, or metros, is a cost-effective alternative to taxis or rental cars while traveling. Public transportation systems in many cities provide convenient and affordable options for getting around, allowing travelers to save money on transportation expenses. Additionally, opting for public transportation often offers a more immersive and authentic experience, allowing travelers to observe daily life and interact with locals during their commute. Many cities also offer affordable multi-day or weekly transportation passes specifically designed for tourists, providing unlimited access to various modes of public transportation at a discounted rate. By taking advantage of these passes, travelers can explore the city efficiently while keeping transportation costs to a minimum. Number 4 on our list is Cook your own meals. Cooking your own meals while traveling is an excellent way to save money and add a personal touch to your culinary experience. Rather than dining out for every meal, consider preparing your own food whenever possible. Look for accommodations with kitchen facilities or picnic areas that allow you to cook your meals comfortably. Whether you're whipping up a simple breakfast in your hostel kitchen or enjoying a picnic in a scenic park, cooking your own meals allows you to savor delicious food while staying within your budget. Bringing us to number 3, use budget accommodation. Travelers can optimize their travel budget by opting for budget accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals instead of pricier hotel options. These alternatives often provide comfortable and affordable lodging options, while allowing travelers to save significantly on accommodation expenses. Moreover, considering accommodations that offer complimentary breakfast or kitchen facilities can further reduce food costs during the trip. By choosing budget-friendly accommodation options and taking advantage of cost-saving amenities, travelers can stretch their travel budget further and allocate more funds towards other experiences or activities during their journey. Let's move on to number 2, travel light. Traveling light is a key strategy to minimize expenses and enhance convenience while on the go. By packing only the essentials, travelers can avoid incurring additional baggage fees charged by airlines, ultimately reducing overall transportation costs. This becomes particularly advantageous for those planning to move around frequently during their trip, as lighter luggage streamlines the travel process and eliminates the need for bulky excess belongings. Embracing a minimalist packing approach not only saves money but also ensures greater flexibility and ease of movement throughout the journey, allowing travelers to fully immerse themselves in their travel experiences without unnecessary financial burdens. Number 1, we have plan ahead and be flexible. Planning ahead and maintaining flexibility are essential strategies for securing cost-effective travel arrangements. By conducting thorough research and booking travel arrangements well in advance, travelers can capitalize on early booking discounts offered by airlines, hotels, and other service providers. Additionally, maintaining flexibility with travel dates can yield significant savings, as certain days of the week or times of the year are typically cheaper to travel. By remaining open to adjusting departure and return dates, travelers can leverage fluctuating prices to their advantage and secure the most budget-friendly options available. Ultimately, combining proactive planning with flexibility empowers travelers to optimize their travel budget and make the most of their journey without overspending. Thank you for watching our video on 8 tips to save money while traveling. We hope you found these tips helpful and practical for your future adventures. Remember, by taking advantage of travel reward programs, opting for budget accommodations, packing light, planning ahead, and staying flexible with your travel dates, you can maximize your savings and make the most out of your travel experiences. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring.